Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to log out of YouTube Kids application using your smartphone. So to do that, first of all, launch the YouTube Kids app open on your mobile device and go to the top right corner of the screen and tap on the gear button. Now enter your passcode or solve a simple math problem when prompted to open up the settings. From the settings menu, click on Use YouTube Kids Signed Out and click on the Sign Out button in the pop-up. And that's how you easily sign out of the application. Now you know how you easily log out of YouTube Kids. Whether it's your child's profile or the parent profile, it's a great way to ensure privacy and control over what's happening in the app. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our future videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next episode.